Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to verify seller reputation on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then in the search field, search for the item you're interested in. For example, let it be watch. And tap on one of the listings that catch your eye, that catch your attention, and to open basically the product page. So scroll down until you see okay, wait a moment because I have some problems with my internet connection. So scroll down to the section about this seller. And here you will see the seller's username, their feedback score, and the positive feedback percentage. So this is your first clue about their reputation. So tap on the seller's username to open their profile, and now take a look at how long the seller has been active on eBay. So go to the About section, and now you see that that this seller is active since 2024. And usually, in the most cases, a long history and a long experience usually means reliability of the seller. So also go to the section feedback, and you can here view recent feedbacks from other buyers. So this section shows what people are saying about their experience with this specific seller. You can go to the page See All Feedback, and you can even filter reviews, so you can sort by most relevant or most recent, choose rating type, so positive, neutral, or negative, and you can select whether you want to review some photos with photos. If you want to review feedbacks with photos only. So this is the filters, and also you can go back and again go to the section About, and you should look for badges like top rated seller, but this specific seller doesn't have that, so I will show you on another example. I think this one, no, this one doesn't have that. I don't know, probably this one. Okay, this could be. So go to the username of the seller, go to About. Okay, but basically here should be the badge top rated seller. So here should be this sentence. This badge means that eBay recognizes this seller for consistently delivering great service. And if you see recent negative feedback for slow shipping, or for example bad communication, or some other things, that is of course a red flag. And finally, see if the seller offers returns for their items. So you can check that here in this section, Shipping, Returns and Payments. Returns accepted within 30 days. And whether the seller has eBay money back guarantee. So here it is. So that's basically it, how you can verify seller reputation on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye bye!